Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 4th, 2024. We already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's the 4 star Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 9381. And this one has 24 printed digits. Here are truly 4 stars Sudoku. For 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 4 6s. Well, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 6s are in majority. Can I start with 6? Yes, 6 in this column, last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place left of the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left of the 6 should be there. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. Well, in this column, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here give me 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here give me 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here give me 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this row, no 6 there. The only place left of the 6 should be there. Yeah. Ja. Hallo? Ja. Ja, hoor je mij? Ja. Zit je nog daar? Ja, tuurlijk. Nog op jullie lijst. Oké. Hoi. Ja, ik kom bij je. Oké. Let me see. 4, 3. 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, the 5, the 4. So no 3, 5, and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3, 5, and a 4 goes in those 3 boxes. The other pair, the other triplet are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 7, 8. That means 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. Well, we have a 2 here in this big square. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 should be here. 9. Need a 1 here. And 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 in the row above, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 left. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Then we need an 8 in this column. We have an 8 in this big square, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column. So the column between only 2 places level 8. Could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the only 2 places level 3 goes together with 8 is a pair. We need a 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 could be here, could be there. 5. Okay, 9. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left of 4. Could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there.
Okay. Ik zei, ik ben bij jou. Want hij helpt mij niet.
4 minutes already passed, okay. Well, 4 minutes already passed, almost 5 minutes. We have 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left. 8 should be here. On there, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, so 2 numbers left for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this big square, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here. On there, we have a 1 in the second column, the 1 there. 1 should be here. Need a 3 here. I need a 5 there. And I need a 7. I need a 9 here. 9, 9. How about here? 3. Need a 2. 2, 3. Need a 5. And I need a 7. 7. 4. 7, 4. Yeah. 8 and 4. 8. 6. 6. Need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the row below, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 4, 4. 9, 9, 9, 9. 7, 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah. 4, 8, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need 1 here. Yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the fifth column, only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So no row between. Only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there.
Sorry,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9 are missing. Need a 4 there. We have a 4 here, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Yeah. About a 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 5. And 5. Come on, come on, come on. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 there. 9. 9, need a 9 here or there. 9, need a 9 here or there. No 9 here, 9 here or there. Here can be 9. Here can be 9. So the only place left for 9 in the second column should be here. So this box should be a 7 then. Here can be 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. Here also 7 and a 5. 7, 5 and a 9. 4, 9 and need a 7 here. 7 and a 9. So here can be 7 and a 9. So 1 digit left should be the 4. So the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 7, 9, and need a 2 here. 2, yeah, need a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, so the 7 and the 9 are left. We have a 7 here, 7 here, so this box should be 7, so the 1 and the 8 are left. 1 and 8. 3, 5, 4. 3, 5, 4. Okay. 1 and 8. 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. 9. 7 and a 5. Wait. 9, 7 and a 5. 7, 7. See here 7 and there 7. No 9 here or there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this one, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Need a 9 there. 7, 7, need a 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 4 in this column. Well, here can be a 4, we have a 4 in this big square, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here can be a 4, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4. Only place left for the 4 in the middle column should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2, 3 missing numbers. I believe the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between only 2 places left for 2, could be here, could be there. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, only 2 places left for 2, could be here, could be there. Here we have a 2, here we have a 2, that means that this box should be the 2. That box should be a 3. So no 3, we have 4 missing numbers, no 3. In this column, no 3. So the 3 should be here or there. We see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7, 2, and 5 are missing. 7, 2, and 5. Okay, here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. Okay, here 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 1, 2, 3 is missing. 8 and a 3. Wow. 7, I need a 3, 8, I need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 this row, no 1 there, 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. I need a 4 here. Wow. Here can be 4. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Here should be the 4 then. 4, 4, need a 4 there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 7 and 9. So here should be the 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 1. Eliminated the 7 and 9. Eliminated the, well, we need a 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left with 2 should be here. 2 and a 5 here, also 2 and a 5. 1 box left for the 5. So the 2 and the 7 are left. We have a 2 in this row, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 here, so this box should be a 9. This box should be a 7. This box should be a 9 then. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 here. This should be the 7. This box should be a 5. 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finished. In 15 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. Or maybe 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.